This is Eyewitness News at 6 on WUTR.
Good Friday evening. I'm Thomas Fleming. Thank you for joining us tonight. The Halloween flood devastated several areas of central New York. Yesterday, Governor Andrew Cuomo's office announcing that FEMA has denied individual assistance to flood victims. Today, Oneida County Executive Anthony Pacenti joined by local officials, including Senator Joseph Griffo, to call on FEMA for an appeal. Shalon Stevens has more.
Aside from working with FEMA as the next step, would the state provide any financial funding for repairs, aside from what the National Guard has already started to rebuild?
The state will help, but this is a federal responsibility, the emergency management funding, and I don't want to let them off the hook.
That was the governor back in November when he visited Utica to make an announcement. The governor has since been told individual assistance to flood victims has been denied by the federal government.
How many more times? How many more homes are going to get destroyed? How many more lives are going to get displaced?
When all was said and done, over 1,100 houses were severely damaged.
When you see homes that are full of 2 feet of mud and 4 feet of water in their living spaces, when is it enough for FEMA to say, this county, this region, this state needs our assistance?
Although FEMA granted public assistance to municipalities for damages done to infrastructure, residents have been told they did not qualify for individual assistance. No monetary threshold seems to have been applied to assessing the loss by the private sector. Pacenti says they believe it is subjective. With the FEMA rejection, attention now turns to the state.
It is imperative that we make this appeal, as county executive said, and I believe the governor will be so inclined to do so, and I'm hopeful that he will, and we'll continue to advocate for that.
Now, back in early December, Senator Griffo and Assemblywoman Buttonshaw introduced legislation that would offer flood victims a buyout program. The proposed bill would allow local governments to designate hard-hit areas as floodplains and offer a buyout to residents at a pre-flooding level through a bond made by the Urban Developments Corporation. But with FEMA's denial, where does that leave this proposed bill?
This is just another idea, a proposal that the Assemblywoman and I have presented. We think it's a way to really eradicate a problem where there's a consistent problem and people just say, I've had enough.
This afternoon, the governor announced that he will appeal, saying FEMA needs to step up, do the right thing, and help these people restore and rebuild their lives and homes. The agency's sole mission is to help communities dealing with disasters, and one sentence denial is woefully inadequate and does nothing to offer hope for these families. We will be appealing this denial. Reporting in Utica, Shalon Stevens, Eyewitness News.